To our dearest Nene, you were the heart of our home, the one who held us together with your love, your wisdom, and your quiet strength. Losing you has left a space no one else can fill. But today we choose to remember you not with sadness alone, but with deep gratitude. Thank you for the life you gave us, not just in years, but in lessons, sacrifices, and countless acts of love. You are our first teacher, our greatest comfort, and our strongest protector. In your presence, we felt safe. Because of your guidance, we've become who we are. You taught us how to be kind, to be brave, and to face life with faith. Even now, we hear your voice in our hearts, reminding us to do what is right, to stay strong, and to love one another. Though we miss you every day, we know that your love will never leave us. You live on in our memories, in our choices, and in the way we love others, just as you loved us. We will carry you with us, always. We love you, Nene. Thank you for everything. You will forever be our light.
Lahat ibinigay, lahat gagawin mo. Ganyan lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng niya ang laging hangat mo. Patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Matitiis ang isang